Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on a strawberry girl summer makeup look. This is my take on the trend started by Hailey Bieber. It's all about juicy skin, juicy cheeks, juicy lips, strawberry hues, and just a general juicy summer vibe. So I'm just going to get into it, but if you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slapp family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. According to Hailey Bieber is a strawberry girl summer. I've been seeing this look kind of trending on Instagram. Hailey Bieber started it because she's launching a strawberry lip balm. So I thought I would get on the trend, try something new. So I've already primed my face with the Dior Forever Glow Veil Primer, my favorite primer of the moment. Next I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to put a picture of the look here. First I'm going to start with my brows. Hailey Bieber has like a very thick, groomed, bushy, bold brows. I'm going to brush up my brows and fill them in. I'm using the Refi brow gel, which I've spoken to you about in my last video. It is a bit residue heavy, but it does a semi-decent job. I've just done my brows. I've brushed them up and filled them in with the Rare Beauty brow pencil in Cool Brown, which I did in my last video. Next I'm going to do base. I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream SPF 50, which I do really enjoy, in the shade Deep. It's a really good one for summer because it's quite a rich shade for me, so it's just a really perfect shade. I don't have to worry about like looking two different colours or anything. It just always matches my tan shade. I think maybe that's half because it's a CC cream and just half because it's pretty rich. Next up, I'm going to use concealer, and at the moment I use a combination of the Et al. In the shade 260W. It's a clean beauty brand, so quite nice on the skin. And then the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer in 4.5N because it's a bit lighter, a bit stretchier, and just has like a slightly more like elastic finish. So I use the two of those at the moment. I'm running out of everything I like. I'm just trying to use as many of my concealers as possible because I have so many and I don't use them all, so I'm just trying to actually finish things now. I'm going to use a bit of the Et al. At the moment, I don't know why, but I've just been blending from the nose just because I feel like it stops me from over blending under my eyes. Whilst that's just melting into my skin, I'm going to do the base of my eye. I'm not using the Charlotte Tilbury matte primer product that I normally use just because I want it to be a little bit creamier looking. So I'm going to use the same kind of four that I always use from this Pat McGrath Labs Mothership eyeshadow palette. This is the Velvet Liaison, the all matte one, and I tend to just use like the richest shades in here. I'm just going to take off my foundation on my lips so you can actually see my lips. Better. Because I'm going to stain them in a minute, so I want to have a bare lip. So the stain is the star. So with the Strawberry Girl Summer makeup, it's all about kind of a cherry berry juicy look. So it's really about like amping up the the blusher, the lips, the eyes, making it all kind of a tonal look, but kind of strawberry. As it's a summery look, I'm going to go in with the Say bronzer, the cream bronzer from Say. The Sun Melt bronzer in deep bronze. I use this a lot, especially when it's summer, because I'm a bit more tan and it's a bit rich, so it's perfect. Product I haven't really used since I reviewed it. This is the Pink Gasm Beauty Light Wand in the shade Pink Gasm Sunset, and in my review of this, it's from Charlotte Tilbury, in my review of it, I didn't love it that much. It didn't really show up on my face. It wasn't really doing much for me, considering I've had the Beauty Light Wand in Pillow Talk Medium, and it's just so perfect. It's such a good shade for me, and this was like a real big disappointment. But I used this yesterday as a blushery vibe, a glowy blushy highlight, and it actually worked really well. So I'm going to try it again and show you it on. Hopefully it works in the same way. It gives like the glow of what this Hailey Bieber look is all about. It's all about like glowy, juicy looking, berry looking skin, cheeks. So it really gives a glow, which I think just really adds to the summer girl vibe. And I put a little bit on my nose bridge just to give it like a really warm look. You can see it's kind of coming together now. That's the Pink Gasm, giving a bit of something. I'm going to do something else with this in a minute, which just kind of takes things to the next level. I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Labs lid topper. This is the Smouldering Seduction Fetish Eyes Longwear Liquid Eyeshadow. So that's it on my lids. It's just lifted them a little bit. But what I did yesterday, which I think works really well, is actually to use the Charlotte Tilbury, the same cheek product on the lid. It just really makes it very tonal and rosy. So I'm going to pop the Pink Gasm on top of my lids as well. So next up on lips, I'm going to pop a tint, and this is one of my favorite tints. It is the Dior Addict Lip Tint in 421, and it's just a really good tint. It really does tint my lips. To add to the juiciness of the cheek and give it even more of a juicy, summery, strawberry vibe, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Labs Glow Balm. I think it's called Glow Balm. The Divine Blush Legendary Colour Glow Balm in Fluorotique. It's a really nice shade. It's quite berry, it's quite rosy, but it also just like gives a little bit of juicy glow as well. So next I'm going to line my lips with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense. Is there anything else for me? No. And this just grounds everything and brings it down a little bit. Okay, so next up I'm going to line my eyes with the Pat McGrath Labs Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner, the only liquid eyeliner for me. I'm going to go over the nose bridge with the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand in Pillow Talk Medium. This is my everyday kind of nose bridge highlight, and it just lifts up the other one a little bit. I'm going to go in with powder. At the moment I'm using the Hourglass Everyday. It's my favorite thing. This is the Translucent Deep. For lips, one thing I've been doing is using the Lisa Eldridge liquid lipstick, the Velveteen Liquid Lip Colour in the shade Blush. It's just quite a nice punchy colour that actually gives a bit of longevity and dimension to my lips. So I just put a little bit in the top there. Just gives it that really like juicy strawberry vibe. Yesterday, because I was slightly more pink, I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk face palette, beautifying face palette, which I do really like. I don't use it as often as I used to. So I'm going to use these two as a highlight. I feel like it's just missing a little bit of sun-kissed vibe, so I'm going to use a bit of the Pat McGrath. Just for my nose bridge and a little bit, just a little bit. So guys, that is it. That is my Strawberry Girl summer look inspired by Hailey Bieber. It is very tonal, it is very juicy hopefully. So I'm going to give you a quick close up and then I'm going to finish up. The look in natural daylight. So guys, that is it. That is my finished look. That is a Strawberry Girl summer makeup look inspired by Hailey Bieber. So hope you guys liked it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. Will you be buying anything? Will you be trying anything? Do you like anything? Let me know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.